Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Before I begin, I just want to let you guys know I've been MIA for a few days. That's because preparing for Halloween is kicking my butt. So I apologize for not uploading or being in here as often as I would like. Okay, so let's just start with the video. I picked up this pink binder from Target last year. It was in the bullseye section for $3 or $3.99 I believe. And I'm doing a quick flip through just to show you some of the dividers I've done right now. This isn't the complete look. That's why you see empty document protectors in a few pages. But like I said, it's not done. So now let's get started with our dividers. I don't know if you guys ever ordered from scrapbook.com, but when you do order from that company, I don't know if all the other companies do this, but when you order paper, you get it's either a 13 by 13 carton, or maybe it's a 12 by 13 piece of carton that just helps protect your paper as it gets shipped in the mail. Well, I've been saving them. Not really sure why, but I realized like, hey, I could use these for the dividers. They're a little bit sturdier than paper, and that is what I'm going to be using to create these dividers for my October, geez, my Christmas daily or Christmas planner. I have no idea what to call this binder, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna end up doing a little bit of both, because I do like to obviously annotate our memories for that month, but also I want to be organized as far as like being prepared for like a gift list idea and the cards that I'm going to be sending out and things like that. So yeah, it'll probably be a combination of both. Right now I am using tacky glue to adhere my paper. This is a 12 by 12 and I've cut it to, I don't know if you guys saw, because typical me, I was blabbering on something else instead of describing what I was doing on the video. But I pulled out a sheet of paper that I used for a template. I got those same package of sheet in the soft pink, and I think I got a soft beige and even a mint one from Target. They were $2.99 in the binder section. So I used the template of that sheet to measure the lengthwise, and I just went over half an inch so that this carton is gonna stick out half an inch bigger than the sheet of paper. And I'll put the measurements in the description below, because at the moment I don't remember. I want to say it's like 6.5, but yeah, don't quote me on that. So just to make sure, I'll put the the measurements on the description box. I'm doing the voiceover in the morning, you guys, and I have had no coffee. So hopefully I'm not confusing anybody. Okay, so I had a little bit of excess, so I'm trimming that off, and I purposely left that gap between like half an inch of the front. I don't know if you guys see the carton peeping out. I don't know, I kind of like that. So in the back I did cover it completely, and I'm gonna hole punch it now. And then of course you guys saw me use my corner chopper. I did round out the corners, and I am using my little, I don't know what it's called, but this Tim Holtz tool that just helps distress the edges. And now I'm going to do my favorite thing to do, which is to stain or dab the edges just so that it looks distressed and vintage and old, and ended up using that mint color for that. And now we're going to decorate our divider, keeping it simple, just using some of the ephemera from the collection. This is part of the peppermint collection from, I think it's either yeah, it's definitely the peppermint collection from Prima Marketing. And I'm going to, like I said, just keep it simple. Add a few ephemera. I end up adding a few flowers as well. I decided to add my dimensionals foam little stickers to the back of the Santa, just so that it creates dimension. I'm so sorry, you guys. Anyways, so I'm just gonna peel these off. I'm gonna hear him down, and then I'm gonna bring in a few of the peppermint collection flowers and also my foam stickers. I picked these foam stickers up from Hobby Lobby. I thought the color of the mint went perfectly well with this collection, and so this divider is going to be called Family. And now I am bringing in those flowers I had told you guys about. I'm just gonna adhere them down. Okay, and then I'm going to, that's pretty much gonna complete the look for this divider, you guys. Now I am putting in order the way in which I want the dividers, which ones I want first, which one, basically like picking an order, only because this is going to determine where I'm going to place my tab. So for the tab, I decided to use this ribbon that I honestly picked up around Easter, because it's very pastel colors from Michaels. And I'm going to be trimming it off about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches long. And I am going at, right now, I thought that I was going to do 2 and just put them back to back so that it hides the back of the ribbon, but I nixed that idea and decided to just use 1. I'm going to be bringing my lighter just so that I could burn the edges to help it from fraying. I know I'm off camera a bit, but that's what I'm doing. And I don't have like a mat or I don't know, like a sewing. I'm not very good with the sewing machine, so I just decided to do this by hand. I put a just regular towel down to help me protect, obviously, not only my board but my table as well. And I'm just taking like this tool that I found in the sewing section of Hobby Lobby. You can honestly use a needle, like a heavy sturdy needle, to punch the holes. I wanted to pre-punch them because I thought it would make it easier for when I'm actually, you know, sewing it. So sewing it all the way down, and then I'm coming back up. I don't know if it has a specific name for a technique. I just like doing it like that. It's kind of weird, I know. Tying, obviously I sped this up and edited some of it out, you guys. I don't think you wanted to see me like so by hand, which takes even longer. But I am just tying a knot at the end of it. I'm gonna trim it, and that is basically going to complete our first divider. I am going to be using, just fixing the little Y, the foam sticker there, but I'm going to be using this as the template because it is my first one. So I'm going to be bringing in, before I cut the other one, what am I doing? Oh, okay, so I decided to hide the back of the ribbon, or help hide it, by adding some of these chipboard stickers to the back. But I don't really recommend it unless you absolutely want to, because it did make my binder a little bit bulky. I did want to tell you guys that. So it's up to you if you want to do that. But like I said, I'm going to be using this as my template, and I'm going to be bringing in my second one, and I'm just kind of eyeball or guess where I want the next ribbon to go. So see how I'm doing that, just kind of putting it in place, and then I'm going to repeat the same process, and that's basically going to be how I created the dividers, you guys. Let's do a flip through of this video of what we have completed so far. There's still a few more projects that I want to do, and I'll tell you about those in a little bit. I just wanted to show you what the final look for the front. Just added one of those 3x4 note cards and a little chipboard sticker with flowers, and then of course the year. For here, I've added a charm. This one's just a golden charm from Hobby Lobby that I got a few months ago, if not last year, because it was on sale. I like to alternate it between. So this one's in gold, and then this one, I'm not sure if you guys remember it. I bought it last year. It's got a little reindeer, and this is from Malha Made. I got it from her Etsy shop. And I just think it's so adorable because the soft pinks and the pearls kind of go with the binder. So here is the beginning. I do want to create something here so that I'm able to make like a pocket. I have no idea what to do with it yet, so I'm gonna leave this for now until I play around. This is still October, so I still have well, I'm filming this in October. I should still have enough time to do something here. Just added this little pocket. And then I have a lot of these document protectors that are empty. That's because I do want to add some pictures and some journaling cards and some shaker stuff, but I'm not going to do that now. And so they're just in here, kind of like just holding a spot to remind me. We converted this, my husband's Christmas card, into a pocket. I've added a Christmas card in here, some of these little reinforcers, and then just a little bit of tags and journaling cards. For the month, I have no idea if I want to leave it how it is now, but I just have the month look and the weekly layouts, just so I could write stuff. I have this cute little paper clip that's from last year as well. And then my first little divider is family, a little document protector with the word as well. And for here, I just feel like I'm gonna use my heat tool to seal it off, maybe put some sequin on the inside, seal it off, and then put a family picture on the top. So I'm gonna keep this one. That's the idea, or that's the plan for now for this one. So, and just a few extra pages on there. My gift list. It's another divider, same thing. I'm just gonna add some little, like maybe that's just why I say that it may be a Christmas planner, but it kind of like a Christmas daily, although I probably won't be doing it daily, because I do want to add like little memorabilia stuff through December. So that's why I have these in here. And then card list. This was another divider, and I think, let me flip the page because I already started writing addresses in here. So I have that, and then I have just another document protector in the page where I started writing. And then this is my dinner tab, which of course is gonna have another document protector, and then my grocery list, my ideas of dishes, main dishes, side dishes, whatever. Just gonna write that in here. And then here's any other Christmas ideas, maybe shopping or gift ideas or just additional stuff. So I just added a few more extra pages and then 2 extra document protectors so that I have them in place. I don't think I want to do anything to the back. It's already bulky as it is, and I say bulky because I ended up using chipboard on the back of each not dashboard, but of each divider to hide the ribbon, and it did kind of make it like a little bit. It's not too bad, so I don't want to continue to add more things and then make it super extra bulky. So I don't know if I filmed it, but I did hole punched a hole here and added some elastic so that it does help wrap it all the way around. And then for here, just added this little Papermate pink pen. And that is what it looks like so far, you guys. Like I said, I still have 1 or 2 projects. I know specifically one dashboard that I want to do. I am going to film it, so I'm waiting to do that. And hopefully you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.